The turmeric you bought from the chef yesterday is probably already gone off, not by the expiration date, but by the way it was processed and the container it is sitting in right now. That's why I've started making my own. When I prep my own seasoning, I know exactly what is going on into my pot and eventually into my body. No hidden additives, no industrial fillers, and zero artificial coloring. Just pure medicinal gold. Pouring it, let's not even go there. UV rays are a vampire for spices. They bleach the active ingredients right out. Plastic containers, a no-go. See-through glass jars on a sunny counter, absolutely not. That's why my jar stays in a foil vault to block every bit of light. Dark or opaque bottles with a good seal at the lid are the yeses for storing spices and seasoning. Now let's talk about absorbing the active ingredients to benefit your health. Did you know turmeric is oil-soluble? If you are drinking it with water, plain water, you are wasting it. You need a healthy fat and a pinch of black pepper to activate it. And get this, the active ingredient in black pepper increases its absorption by up to 2,000%. Hear me right. I didn't say 20%, not 200%. A whooping number, 2,000%. Unbelievable, isn't it? But that is science. And that is the single reason why I make my turmeric in a combo, to have the black pepper in already. So you don't reach out for another bottle to get the black pepper. And you don't forget using it. Once you take a spoon of it, you have everything you need. So if you want the real health benefit of turmeric, you have to treat it like the gold it is. Stop settling for chef dead spices. Check my previous video where I show you a step-by-step guide for my triple treat DIY recipe for making turmeric. And also save this video so that this information, you don't miss them. Because you have watched the video right through to the end, I show you this pro tip of how you can use your turmeric powder as a tea or a drink. Pour it in the cup, add your water, and add an oil base, except you are using another fat base. So if you are new to our community, ensure to follow us, because there are more content coming up down the pipeline about how you can use your kitchen as your first line of pharmacy.